Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a drone tour of the new Duhaney Park Plaza. This plaza was recently renovated, and straight ahead we're looking at the Shoppers Fair supermarket. That building was actually, the building that was there before was demolished and this new building built. And as you can see, the parking lot has changed. Where we're looking at now had stores, and they demolished it to build the parking lot. On the left is the renovated stores. Now this plaza is located off Washington Boulevard. Very popular plaza, very successful. It follows the formula that you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica. One, you need a supermarket, a large brand name supermarket. They have Shoppers Fair, which is the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. Two, you need food stores, and this store has Belly Bus, which sells tasty patties. It's basically a tasty. And Tasty is the largest supplier of patties in Jamaica. And the third thing you need is you need to build a plaza in a populated area. And Duhaney Park is one of the largest neighborhoods in Jamaica. It's actually off Washington Boulevard and just basically on the outskirts of Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica. So this plaza was recently renovated. I think it was done during the COVID time. Those shops that you're looking at straight ahead, they weren't there before. Those are all new. And the plaza, okay, that road that you're looking at in the background, that is Washington Boulevard. Alright guys, so enjoy the drone tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.